Hey guys, Manny Gonzalez here with Solomon Colors. We're out here in Fayetteville, Arkansas, where we came out with A&M Contracting and helped revitalize this pool deck, as you can see. Now this pool deck had some failing sealer, some over-applied sealer, just a whole lot of sealer issues going on. So we hired a sandblasting company to come out and sandblast the whole surface to get rid of any of the old sealer, and gave us a nice porous surface, clean surface to begin revitalizing this pool deck. First thing we did is we took some chip brushes and some sponges and highlighted individual stones with our Artesian water-based stains. We used electric bronze, we used some camelback, some dry thyme. Then we came back and applied our Antique It product. I believe we used our walnuts to add a secondary color over the top. We just did a brush-on application. And then we let that dry, and then we came back with our Gym Guard 600, our penetrating hybrid sealer. Now the homeowner uses this pool to provide swimming lessons, and so we went with the Gym Guard 600 because it is non-film forming. It offers really good slip resistance, as well as being much more durable than any film forming sealers. If you're interested in learning more about the products that were used out here or any other Brickform products, please be sure to check out our website, www.brickform.com or solomoncolors.com.